Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To remove the arm on a Milano, we need to be able to loosen and remove these 2 grip knobs situated underneath the arm. And to do that, we first, using a 13mm spanner, we just loosen and remove the locking caps. That allows us then to remove the grip knob completely. Once both grip knobs have been removed, the arm can just pull off. When we're putting the new arm on, we need to make sure that the 2 bolts are going through these 2 slider brackets here. So we lift the arm on, line up the bolts, and push the arm down. Put the grip knobs back in place, and then put the locking cap back on as well.